Added something this time. Super clean. And let me show you. Before and after, y'all. Y'all see it. This is it's gonna be a turbo setup. 706 heads, 5.3. Watch it, watch it, watch it. Let's see if we can make this 5.3 pretty again. Oh, it's nasty. 706 heads, nasty. Nasty. See if we can make it pretty again. Run again, make power again. Lifters, stuck. That's not a good thing. But it is cold out here, so anyway, see if we can make it pretty again. Nasty. Look at this. Crud. We'll clean it up. See what she does. Use this super clean right here to dissolve grease. Super easy, super fast. And it also says, watch how you use it on aluminum surfaces. But hey, we're going to use it on these nasty heads right here, which is an aluminum surface. But guess what? We're going to go ahead and give it a try, see what super clean does for it. They also said that it works best with cold water. Again, these heads, there's one, there's another one, looks just as bad, if not worse. We're going to clean them up with this super clean